Yo, welcome back to Containing Luxury. On this episode, we're actually getting the spray foam done. However, I was super sick when this happened, so I only have some video footage of it. It's not actually happening today. So let's get started. Okay, so to be honest, spray foam got done probably like a month ago. We got delayed on a lot of the production of video for the construction happening. So what we used was a closed cell spray foam. We've gone over this in previous videos. You always have to use closed cell spray foam when doing any insulation against the metal, because the metal is going to get really hot in the summer and then mix with the cold air and it will cause condensation. So on a build of the scale of the house that we're building there, it was too many modifications to go through and try and use like the InsoFast system. The best thing to do in this scenario was the closed cell spray foam, and we went ahead and hired AW Foam out here in San Antonio. We'll put a link to them in the description if you're local, but they actually come out and do classes at our workshops and explain the different types of installations, when they should be used, and what type of scenarios. So a big shout out to them. They helped us out, came out, shot my entire house for me. I did pay them, it wasn't free. So they're not sponsoring this. They're just somebody I recommend because they're highly educated in the process and what products to use and in what situations, and they did a very professional job. So that being said, I'm actually just gonna play some music and you guys can kind of watch the spray foam process go in. We just had a bunch of video from it, both from the owner of AW Foam and from myself, when I was able to just kind of shoot up there and film a little bit and then go back and die in bed. So anyway, I'm back on my feet. You guys are now getting the spray foam footage, and let's roll to that.
This town's so late, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio.
Okay guys, that was it for spray foam. As you can see, it's pretty simple, so there's not much to it. There's a lot of really expensive equipment they were using in that process, so it's definitely not a DIY type of thing. I wouldn't go ahead and try and spray closed cell foam yourself. When you look at the cost of the equipment and all the different stuff that goes into it, you're way better off just hiring a local professional that does spray foam, and they'll probably know exactly what to do. But in the odd case that you hire somebody to do spray foam and they try and tell you to use open cell, don't do that. Use closed cell spray foam on the entire container. There's very rare scenarios where you can do some other stuff, but hopefully the guy you're hiring or the company you're hiring is educated in what products to use when. So anyway, that's it. We hope this has been informative, and make sure to like and subscribe. Blake knows speak good. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Containing Luxury.